Hey Chris, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here. I wanted to go over your online presence. I'm unable to go over your website today. Probably it's getting some work done to it, but we can take a look at the back end of it. So on your website, I'm sure you all have some keywords. And an example would be Little Rock Foundation Repair. So the first thing that pops up here whenever people search this up is the Google Map Pack section here. And so you want to be ranking here because 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Packs. And a lot of people don't click on this more businesses here. So the way to outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile that has more citations than them. And you want to have a good amount of reviews and photos as well. And if we scroll down, the other 60 to 70% goes down here. This is the organic listing. So this is where your website would be ranking. And you want to be as high up as possible on the first page. 90% of people stay on the first page, and the majority of the business goes in the #1 ranking website. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website. Something that I would recommend for you all would be to have some call to actions throughout your website, which you might, just couldn't take a look at it, as well as having at least 1,500 words on your website. The reason is that Google has crawlers that are crawling the internet 24/7, so they are taking a look at all the websites, going through the content, and looking for those keywords like the Little Rock Foundation Repair embedded within it. So you want at least 1,500 words to be considered an authority. But let's take a look at the back end of each of your guys' websites. So I have them plugged into Ahrefs here. And so these ratings here are pulled from some Google data. UR and DR, this is just the trustworthiness and the authority of a site. So they have 46 and 42. And what makes up these ratings here, it comes from these backlinks. So they have 9.61 thousand backlinks coming from 1.62 thousand referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another. It is worth mentioning that not all backlinks are created equal. So if it is a spammy backlink, it will harm these numbers here and bring them down. And if it's a good quality one, it can boost those numbers. And so you want to make sure that you are adding good quality backlinks. And they also have over 9,000 keywords on their website. So let's take a look at the back end of yours compared to theirs. There's not enough data for the UR, and you all have a 6 DR. So that's coming from 68 backlinks from 39 referring domains, and you all have 12 organic keywords on your site. And so what I would recommend is making sure that you get more high quality backlinks. You want to boost both of these numbers to beat out. You want it to be higher than these numbers over here. And then one way that you can do that is called the copycat method. So you can actually go in here and you can click on the links that they have, and you can start taking the good quality ones and linking them to your website as well. And I also recommend making sure that you have good buyer intent keywords on your website. Otherwise, Google won't know to connect you whenever people are searching for it. So let's take a look. That's some keywords that apply to you. So foundation repair Little Rock, 100 people are searching for that every month. Here's some more, 100 people, 90 people, 20, 100. And if we just keep scrolling, we can see that there are quite a few people searching for some of the services that you provide in the service area that you go to. And so what I'd recommend is making sure that you have enough content on your homepage, definitely adding keywords to your website, and you want to add more backlinks. So the goal would be to have more high quality backlinks than 9.61 thousand. As well as you want your Google business profile to be ranking for all the keywords. And so make sure that it has more citations than your other competitors there. And if you ever need any help with implementing any of these things, I'd be more than happy to help you. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thanks.